To begin, let's create a routing module in our Angular application. Well, use the Angular command line interface, or CLI, to streamline this process. We enter the command ing generate module app routing to create a new module. The flat flag indicates that we don't want our module to be placed within a separate directory, but rather in the src app directory. By appending module equals app, we're instructing the CLI to automatically declare this routing module inside our RouterModule's imports array, which is the app module. This initializes our app with routing capabilities. Now that the app routing module is generated, let's define our routes. Routes in Angular are used to navigate users between different components based on the URL path in the browser. Within the app routing module, we are importing necessary Angular modules and the components we want to route to. We define a constant array called routes of type routes, where we map URL paths to components. Here, the path first component is associated with first component, and similarly, second component with second component. A default route is set up to redirect an empty path to first component, using redirect to and specifying path match as full to ensure it only redirects when the entire URL is empty. A wildcard route is also defined using ***, which acts as a catch-all route and redirects to first component if the user tries to navigate to an undefined path. Lastly, we import the routes using RouterModule for route, which we then export as part of the app routing module. After setting up the app routing module, we need to ensure it's recognized by the route module. In the app module, we import the app routing module and then add it to the imports array of the module's metadata. This allows our application to know about the routing configuration we established, so it can handle navigation appropriately.